Hi, this is Ray Rasmussen for Real Time with IPC, and my guest this segment is William Crist, and he's the Sales and Support Manager for Apex Factory Automation. Thanks for stopping by.
Thanks so much, Ray. Appreciate you having me.
Pleasure. We're going to talk about a new to the U.S. solder paste inspection system that you guys, I guess, been here about 6 months or so. And if you wouldn't mind, before we get into that, tell our viewers a little bit about your company, and then
Sure.
we'll go into the product.
Sure. Apex Factory Automation is a little less than a year into the SMT business. We're part of a larger group of companies, 25 years old, multi-million-dollar corporations that do huge international projects, and we're the new foray. The owner of our company is a Korean ancestry, he's an American citizen, and he is interested in bringing in high-quality Korean products into the United States market. You know, there's LG, Samsung, Hyundai, Kia, some very good Korean manufacturing and engineering that's available, and they're all looking for introduction in the North America market, and so we feel that this is a very good matchup. And so right now all our line is Korean manufacturing, and it basically kind of follows that lead of high quality manufacturing, innovative engineering, yet at a very affordable price.
Okay, well, let's talk about this solder paste inspection system that you just brought on, and give us the details.
Yeah, it's a very interesting product. Essentially, it's a SMT screen printer with onboard 3D inspection. And again, it's a Korean firm, SJ Initech, out of Daegu, Korea, southern portion of Korea, kind of a heavy manufacturing area. And they have really come up with a kind of a very neat and innovative product. And essentially what they've done is they have combined the screen printer and the 3D inspection. So it's a very small platform, about 5.5 feet. Okay. And the probably the most fascinating part about it is the closed loop control. So on your 3-stage conveyor, you've got your first PCB being buffered, right? Your second PCB is being printed. Your third PCB is being inspected with 2D and 3D inspection. If your solder paste parameters start to get out of parameter, that's exactly right. It'll communicate to the printer, auto adjust those parameters, whether it's height, volume, bridging, XY position, etc. And so there's no user interface required. So that's kind of the nirvana of SPI inspection, is that it'll auto adjust. There's no user interface required. So
this is new to the U.S. How many of these things are in the field?
There's approximately 1,000 of them now worldwide. They're very big in Asia. SJ Initech does extremely well in Asia and the European market, but they have not had any introduction to North America or the United States market whatsoever. So we are facilitating that, and now it's really at a point of just allowing the consumer and the buyers to get to know that product and to get to know Apex Factory Automation.
You mentioned something before the interview about how the stencil aligns. The alignment system is a little unusual.
It is somewhat unique. Essentially, the stencil itself aligns to the PCB. You know, the PCB and the support plate goes up and down all day, and you really don't want those precise motors and delicate applications to be controlled by that motor. And so you have the X and Y axis motors. They don't actually move, they just adjust, and so it's a very long life, very dependable. And then the Z axis for the PCB is a precise servo motor that provides very accurate snap-off speed, distance, etc. So it's kind of the owner is an engineer of SJ Initech, and he's really done some kind of neat little engineering adaptations that you don't see a lot.
And this product, I think you mentioned before, it's about 5 years old. So there's 1,000 installations. So it's got a proven life here.
That's exactly right. They've worked out the bugs, so to speak, and it's really very sound, high quality, and it's really a robust platform. There's no doubt about it.
And what else? You talked about the cleaning system.
The cleaning system. One of the interesting items that they've done is all these items are standard. They're not upgrades, they're not add-ons. Oh, you want the cleaning system, oh, you want the 3-stage conveyor. No, comes with it. And the cleaning system, for instance, has got the blow, it's got 2 vacuum ports, it's got the cleaning dispense, and it's got the auto wipe, and it's all programmable. So if you want to clean it after every single PCB, you can do that. If you want to clean it after every 5 to 10, you can do that. It's very simple software, easy to use.
Is this the same footprint, though, that you described earlier? Really?
Yeah, it's all built in the same thing. It's very clean. Wow. Yeah, it's very clean and simple. Very easy to operate.
How has this been received? You've been in the market for 6 months with this product?
Yeah, extremely well. Have a lot of positive feedback on it. We've got a 2D unit set up in our demo room in Chantilly, Virginia. We've got a 3D unit on the way. They're pretty high demand. And so essentially what we're going to bring in people to train on there, do demo, etc. And then if we need to, actually take a unit out to their facility.
So if people want more information, how do they get that?
Most people, they can go right to our website, www.apexfa, that's A-P-E-X, F as in Frank, A as in Apple.com, and they can request information on there. We've also got quite a bit of information that you can look at on our website.
Wonderful. Thanks for stopping by.
Yeah, thank you, Ray.
It was easy?
It was a pleasure.
Yeah,
it was a pleasure.
Painless?
Absolutely.
Well, thank you again. I've been speaking with William Crist, and we've been talking about the new stencil printer, solder paste inspector from Apex Factory Automation. And I'm Ray Rasmussen for Real Time with IPC. Thanks for watching.
Thank you.